bottom estimation. This is where the actual juice is. This is what your actual job is. This is what the job of your team. This is what the job of expert judgment. This is the job which is expected of you by the project management, by the sponsor. This will give you the realistic, viable, factual estimates, because this is from the activity level. This is where what you actually are going to deliver. It is not looking at the project from the top. It is not looking at the project from anywhere in middle. It is where actually where you need to deliver the job, the actual juice, the actual hardcore work. So if the activity is for 8 hours, you need to identify the activity, you need to identify the cost, you need to identify the estimate, schedule, duration at that level, and then you will sum up. In this way, when you are on activity level, your variances are low, you can control the variances, you can look at the trends very quickly and fast. It is a detailed cost and absolutely not summarization of it. It is going to be summed up or rolled up from activity to activity, and then every activity will give you the above level, and then the above level, and then the until you get the project. So yes, it is where you will go into the details of which kind of a resources you want, whether human or physical or equipment. It is going to go and identify all the risk at that work package level and the activity level, that what would be the risks that could impact this small activity of 8 to 80 hours. That if this is delayed, this will help you identifying the critical path method, because then if any activity which is on a critical path method which has no float, if that is delayed, what will happen? This will help you identifying the divergent and convergent activities, because now you actually know what the project is look like, what the whole product is look like. You know how it is you are going to deliver it. So you go from start. As I said, work breakdown structure is top top to down. So you start from the project, you need to deliver the project, then you start working on the other areas. What is the next level? Then what is the next level? As I told you, work breakdown structure is completely dependent how you as a project manager or a project management team or the sponsor want to see it, how you want to control the project. So you want to do phase wise, you want to do function wise, you want to do specialties wise. It is completely upon you. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, no problem. Civil, electrical, mechanical, no problem. Marketing, IT, finance, no problem. This is how you want to see the product. This is how you want to see the project. Then work breakdown structure verification, work breakdown structure definition is from top to down, and verification is bottom to up. And that is where activities comes up. So whatever activities you have defined after the last level of work package, which is the last component, last level, last logical component of delivery, where you have one person responsible, these activities will be defined to deliver this work package. So when two work package will deliver, maybe a level up control account, a level up work breakdown structure component will be delivered. So this is where you will be working on a method of estimating all resources, project duration, and all costs by aggregating and estimating at the lowest level possible. Lowest level possible is very important. You don't want to go to a level which is beyond logical relationship, beyond logic. So you need to see where you want to stop. Then create work breakdown structure. Without work breakdown structure, you will not able to do the activity. For every work package, define labor, equipment, material, supply the other, identify the rates for each resources, calculate the estimate and multiply the rates, identify other direct and indirect costs. So this is actual case. This is actually what is expected of you, but in planning. This is not expected of you in estimation and bidding. This is not expected of you when you are initiating. This is not expected of you when you are in the beginning of the project. This is expected of you when you have a clear understanding of the project, and it's a rolling wave plan. The more the information you have, the more you can divide better. You can devise better estimation. So one challenge to make the estimate a good estimate is the amount of information required at that time. And so this is, as I said, Rolling wave plan, progressive elaboration, it is completely directly dependent on the information. It is obviously not the easiest way of doing it, but is obviously the most accurate way. You need good time, you need good expert judgment, you need good team commitment to identify this level. The only challenge that we have here is the padding, unrealistic padding. This I will answer when we will go into the 3-point estimates. Thank you very much. This is the end of bottom-up estimation.